13 Steps to Self-Care Tips for a Better You. Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're sharing 13 actionable steps to improve your self-care routine and become the best version of yourself. Whether you're new to self-care or looking to refine your habits, these tips are designed to help you thrive. 1. Prioritize sleep. Getting enough rest is crucial for overall well-being. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Create a bedtime routine that helps you unwind, such as reading or meditating before bed. Avoid screens and caffeine close to bedtime. 2. Practice mindfulness. Take a few minutes each day to focus on the present moment. Try deep breathing exercises, journaling, or simply observing your surroundings without judgment. This can help reduce stress and anxiety. 3. Move your body. Regular exercise is not only good for physical health, but also for mental and emotional well-being. Find an activity you enjoy and make it part of your routine. This could be anything from going for a walk to taking a fitness class. 4. Eat nutritious meals. Fuel your body with healthy foods that give you energy and nourishment. Aim for a balance of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Don't deprive yourself of treats, but be mindful of portion sizes. 5. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your body hydrated and functioning properly. Carry a reusable water bottle with you and aim for at least 8 glasses of water per day. 6. Set boundaries. Learn to say no to things that don't align with your values or goals. Setting boundaries allows you to prioritize what's important to you and can help reduce stress and overwhelm. Don't be afraid to communicate your boundaries to others. 7. Practice self-care activities. Schedule time for activities that bring you joy and relaxation, such as reading, taking a bath, or spending time in nature. These moments of self-care are essential for recharging and re-energizing. 8. Connect with others. Make an effort to maintain relationships with friends and loved ones. Social connections are important for our mental health and can also provide support during difficult times. Don't be afraid to reach out and ask for help when you need it. 9. Set goals. Having goals gives us a sense of purpose and direction in life. Set realistic and achievable goals for yourself, whether they are personal or professional. Write them down and create a plan to work towards them. 10. Practice gratitude. Take note of the things you are grateful for each day, no matter how small they may seem. This helps shift our mindset towards positivity and can improve overall well-being. Consider starting a gratitude journal to reflect on your blessings. 11. Learn to manage stress. Stress is a natural part of life, but it's important to learn how to manage it effectively. This could include deep breathing techniques, exercise, or talking to a therapist. Find what works best for you and make it a regular practice. 12. Get enough sunlight. Exposure to sunlight helps regulate our sleep cycles and can improve our mood. Make an effort to spend some time outside each day, especially during the winter months when sunlight may be scarce. 13. Be kind to yourself. Self-compassion is key in self-care. Treat yourself with kindness and understanding just as you would treat a loved one. It's okay to make mistakes and have bad days. Don't beat yourself up. Instead, practice self-care and self-love. Remember that you are worthy and deserving of love and care. So there you have it, 13 steps to self-care that can help improve your overall well-being. Remember, self-care looks different for everyone, so find what works best for you and make it a priority in your daily life. Here's to becoming the best version of ourselves. Take care, beautiful people. Keep shining bright.